Let's talk about folders as it relates to Microsoft Windows 10. What you currently see before you is my desktop. And on my desktop, I have icons and folders and files. I have the taskbar. If I click the Start menu, I get access to all the menu items or all the programs on my computer that show up as a menu item. These are quick tiles for my favorite applications. These are modifiable. So let's talk about folders. If I wanted to add a folder to my desktop, I can click on the right button of my mouse, which will bring up a menu where I can click on New and then Folder, and I can create a new folder. Typically, you wouldn't have to rename it if you type quickly, but since I have to rename it, what I did was simply just select it so I can rename it. I could take this folder and then drag other items into it. Okay. I can open up the folder and access those items by double clicking on it. Or I could delete the folder by clicking on the folder and then either hitting delete. That's one way to do it. Or I can right click on that folder and then click delete and say yes. Once I open up my recycle bin, which is where the folder has been placed, I can see the items that are in the recycle bin. And then if I wanted to restore that particular folder, I would click on it, click on the recycle bin and say restore the item. When I restore the item, it appears to be back on my desktop. But for this, we're going to delete it. Right after I restore goal setting. So another way to restore something to your desktop is to click on it and drag it right back to the desktop. So now I can click on test. I can hit the delete button on my keyboard. It will go away. I can click on my recycle bin. I can click the right mouse button and then say empty recycle bin. And then all 27 items that you previously saw in my recycle bin will go away. Now when I double click on my recycle bin, there are no folders or files in that recycle bin.